Hi, second violins. Let's talk about Marcato. We've talked about Marcato a lot, but I think we want to talk about it a little more in depth because it's a tricky bow stroke. I find it very difficult personally, especially on the violin. So when you play Marcato, again, you're basically accenting every note. And I would practice this by going very slow. I'm going to start on my D string and just practice playing. I'm using a fast bow at about this tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your goal is to not hit more than one string. And I have a big problem doing that because I usually press down a little bit too much. So you want to press and release right away. It's like you're just pressing with the tip of your finger for a second. Da, 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 but don't pick it up. Just press down with your finger on the bow. You can practice this, you can probably get it down better than I can without hitting more than one string. Once you have that down pretty well, start adding your eighth notes. If you look at the string and kind of vibrate. If I look down, I can see when I'm doing it right because it'll kind of stop vibrating in the middle when I stop my bow, which makes sense, of course. Maybe you could see that when I was playing. Once I get that down pretty well, then I'm going to go ahead and start adding my tempo, so speeding up my tempo, in other words. I'm hitting more than one string. Try not to do that. If you're hitting more than one string, there's probably three things happening. You're pressing down too hard with your bow, your shoulder is tense, or your arm is tense, or your bow is at the wrong level. Oh, I got some nice sweat stains here. I just noticed that. Gross. Sorry. All right. It's hot out today. So there's the idea. After you get that down, start adding the notes as they're written. All right. You get the idea. Now, if that's too hard, if you're hitting more than one string, like I kind of did, I probably need to go a little bit slower. While still using a fast bow. All right. You get the idea. Go to the next video.